Just working on the running boards for Project Merc. You can see that I think Kevin got these at an auction sale or something. They're okay. They're still going to need a lot of love, but we're going to sandblast the tops first, so we can do some body work and any welding that we have to do. So going to do that one. The other one I've already got it done. I sandblasted it when I was doing a bunch of other pieces just to see what it was going to look like, and they're not too bad. Okay, now the running boards for 56 Merc, Project Merc, these are all original, but some of the repairs are done really quite poorly here. And so I'm going to cut this off, redo it. We got a bit of a hole over here where somebody tried to do a repair. I've never ever seen anybody ever do a nice repair on a running board because just a running board. That's just wrong attitude. Should love your running boards. They're beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna get this one looking just beautiful. So first thing I think I'm gonna do is see if I can cut this out of here. I'm going to weld from the inside. That's going to give me a little bit more strength there. And then if I'm rounding over the edge, if I have to do a little grinding, I've got a little meat behind. And when it's in behind and underneath, you'll never know. That looks a lot better. Running board number 2. Just almost exactly the same procedure on this one. I'm just finishing up on the running boards. Now don't think you're going to get this done in an afternoon. This is a pretty big job. You know, when you start working with small little spots, you're doing a lot of hand sanding, and yeah, it's not very much fun. But, you know, do a nice job, you will be rewarded for it. So, we just got the front to do here now. And then we can start filling pinholes. Okay, running boards are all sanded, ready for primer. Now, one of the things, I still have to sandblast underneath, but I don't want to do that until I'm ready to paint, just so I don't get any flash rusting or anything like that, as if it'd make a difference on these, but it does. So, what we're going to do is, I've got one last little repair. I wasn't going to fix this, but I thought, whatever. You know, I'm just going to stick a chunk of steel in there and weld it from the backside. And then what I'll do is just cut off the excess. Time to throw some primer on. Now we're not worried about the underneath, of course, we're just worried about the bodywork. Let's tack her off. Give her a coat of epoxy and 2 coats of high build. the running boards are looking good for Project Merc. Gonna be really quite happy with them, I think. You know, they're really nice shape for being original. That's the big thing. You know, we had to put a little bit of work into them, but all worth it. Spend some extra time. You know, these are like, it's like the inside of a box. You know, it seems like it's the forgotten piece. Put a little extra time into it. The little things will make your truck that much better. Here's the running boards for Project Merc. They turned out absolutely wonderful. Better than new. Thanks for watching.